Welcome to the Handpan School. Today I want to show you a very simple pattern on the D Kurd, but this pattern is working on all kinds of scales. I use this pattern also on my Ayamara with the song Fairy Tale. And yeah, just have fun and let us start. So we're starting with our right hand and we go the scale up. So in the end, we add 2 hits. So this will sound like that. Bam, 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 bam. So now just practice this with the right hand and then we check out the left hand. With the left hand, we will add another hit after when we play with the right hand the second hit. So this will sound like that. So we can also use here other notes and see and hear what is working very well. Oh, I like this actually more. So we can also just use the ding 2 times instead of using a note on the left side. This will sound like that. So it will sound automatically more groovy. So when I switch to the other bottom notes or to another note to replace the ding, I use actually another note on the last hit. So I play the left and the right hand together. This will sound like that. And this is also a nice combination what I like. So just play around with this pattern and have fun.